ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमो सद्गुरु तुकया ज्ञानदीपा, नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानन्दरूपा, नमो सद्गुरु भक्त कल्याणमूर्ति, नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्णकीर्ति। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं, विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः। वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं, नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं, नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं, सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। Ramakrishna Hari. Today we are on 10th verse of Tukaram Maharaj. Very beautiful. Tukaram Maharaj, yesterday he said, I don't have my own strength to achieve this bigger goal or biggest goal or only one goal in my life. Oh Lord, you please give me, oh Santa Mahatma, you give me strength. And in today, he is asking something from Lord and saying, oh Lord, on the strength of you, on the strength of, oh Lord, you, I am going to achieve now greater and biggest goal of my life because of your strength. So Santa Mahatma's strength we want and God's grace and strength we want. Then we can go further on our spiritual sadhana. Very beautiful verse, we will start. तुची अनाथाचा दाता, दुःख मोह नासावया चिंता। तुची अनाथाचा दाता, दुःख मोह नासावया चिंता। शरण आलो तुझा आता, तारी कृपावंता माय बाबा। शरण आलो तुझा आता, तारी कृपावंता माय बाबा। संत संगती देई चरण सेवा, देते हा तुझा विसरण भावा। संत संगती देई चरण सेवा, देते हा तुझा विसरण भावा। तुची, ओ लॉर्ड, यू अनाथांचा दाता. You are the giver, dispenser, distributor, or you are the giver of anatha. Anatha means those who don't have master, those who don't have caretaker. Of such people you are data. And data, there are two types of data. If you ask 100 rupees, he will give 100 rupees. This is also data. Sorry. When you ask, if you ask 100 rupees, but that donor, data, he thinks about your life and he feels no, to solve this situation you need 500 rupees. And he gives you 500. You have asked 100, he gives you 500. This is called different kind of data. irrespective of your demand, they will give you too much. God is like that. He will give us in plenty if we ask a little bit. God and Santa Mahatma, they are like that. Tuchi anathacha data. When you feel I don't have anybody in my life to take care about me, then I should remember Lord is there who is taking care of me. तुम बिना मोरी को न खबर ले, तुम बिना मोरी को न खबर ले, गोवर्धन गिरिधारी, गोवर्धन गिरिधारी. God is only looking after us. Yudhishthira, he thought he is looking after Dhritarashtra, because after war Dhritarashtra was in the house of Yudhishthira, and one day Vidur Kaka came and he took Dhritarashtra out of that house and they went away in the morning, early morning. Then Yudhishthira thought, now what will happen to Dhritarashtra? And Krishna came to him and he said, earlier also I was taking care of him and now also I will take care of him. You thought you are taking care of him, but you are not. Then he said, yeah, that is true. God is taking care of us all the time. Gatir bharta prabhu sakshi nivasas charanam suhrut prabhava pralaya sthanam nidhanam bijam avyayam. Whole world he is running. Will he forsake us? Never. We have to understand how he takes care. Tuchi anathacha datha. Dukkha moha nasa vaya chinta. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, what is samsara? What is samsara? Dukkha, sorrow, moha, delusion, wrong thinking, wrong decisions. Chinta, worry. This chinta is not like earlier avanga. Earlier was Kaimi uddhara pavena. This chinta is out of mumukshutvam. And this chinta he is talking out of fear of losing something. Samsarik chinta. If you want to destroy your chinta and dukkha, moha, oh Lord, you are the data. You see now what he is asking, you give that to me by which I can destroy dukkha, moha and chinta. Now you think what is there which will destroy these things? If you bring any object in your life, it will raise your chinta. Moha and dukkha also. In the beginning they give happiness, but at the end they give sorrow. Okay. Bhagavan says, ye hi samsparsaja bhogaha adyantavanta kaunteya nateshu ramate buddhaha. Buddhaha teshu bhogeshu na ramate. Okay. Dukkha moha nasavaya. You are there to destroy my all worries, sorrow and delusion, wrong thinking. That you give me. Sharana alo tuja ata. Now I have surrendered to you. Now means when in previous stanza he said, I don't have my own strength. When I understood that, then I surrendered you. Earlier it was he was surrendering to Santa Mahatma. Now here he is saying, I have surrendered to you. Ata means having understood I don't have my own strength, I have surrendered you. Tari krupavanta maya bapa. Now you please, Tari means take me across this river, this ocean, samsara. Tari krupavanta. Krupa one means singular. If I have one ability to do krupa, then I will be krupavan. But if I can give krupa in many ways, then I will be krupavanta. Like dhanavan, dhanavanta. If you have little wealth, you are dhanavan. Plenty, dhanavanta. Same way krupavanta. Oh Lord, you can many ways. You can benedict me. What you do, Tari Krupavanta Maya Bapa. Beautiful thing is here, Moha and Dukha never goes away from our life. So that Tukaram Maharaj is asking, you please give me that, so my sorrow will go from my life once and for all. Moha will go away, then I will not have any problem in my life. You do that. A beautiful thing he is asking. संत संगति देई चरण सेवा नेहा तुझा विसरण पडावा संत संगति देई चरण सेवा नेहा शरण पडावा आचे भाव माझे आजीवा Santa Sangati you give me. O Lord, give me the company of wise people. Santa Sangati Dei. What else you want, Tukaram Maharaj? And your Charana Seva. Or Santa Mahatma's Charana Seva or your Charana Seva. Please God, give me your Charana Seva and Santa Mahatma Sangati. Or Santa Mahatma Sangati and their Charana Seva. There are three types of associations in our human being's life. One is Kusangati, bad company. Another is Visangati, mismatch, we say. Two wrong people coming together is called Visangati. And another is Satsangati. Satsangati means company of a great Santa Mahatma. Kusangati, Visangati, Satsangati. Kusangati gives phalam that you will go to Narka. Visangati, you will have dilemma in your life. Problems. They will never get solved because you are having opposite vision. Your wife or anybody is having opposite vision. How will you walk together? That is why we say whole family should be spiritual, not only one person. So our effort should be everybody get involved in this spirituality, everybody grow, evolve and be happy, live together happily. Otherwise, we will not have any integration in the thoughts and we will be living under one roof only. Four people, four different vision, gone. So, Kusangati, Visangati means, Visangati you will have dilemma in your life. And next is Sat Sangati. If you do Sat Sangati, you will get moksha. These are the results of each different kind of Sangati. Then how do we come in contact or in association with bad people? If you have Papam, then you will get such people around you. If you have Prarabdha, different Prarabdha, then you will have Visangati. Visangati is with respect to Prarabdha. Kusangati is because of Papam and Satsangati is because of Punya. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, Oh God, give me Satsangati. What is the significance of Sangati? One significance I will tell you. Sangati, how it affects us. When we are in the association of good people, that time I do good things. But when good people goes away, in that time also I do act in that way. That is the impression of other people. Means what? In the absence of good or bad people, I will behave, I will act like that person only. So when we are in this midst, in the association with good people, I am doing good karma. When I am in the association with bad, when I am alone by myself, that time also I am doing good things. This is the significance of Santa Sangati. In the absence of that person, I will act like him. That is why Santa Sangati you give me. Charana Seva, you give me serving to your feet, O Lord. Charana Seva. When you do Charana Seva, that time Jnaneshwar Maharaj says in 15th chapter, Sakalartha Melava Patu Bandhe. All kind of Sakalartha means Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. 4 Purushartha, they will fall in your lap if you do Charana Seva. Why I need Santa Sangati and Charana Seva? Jene tuja ha visarna padava. I may not forget you in my life ever. Never ever I should forget you. You know, we all are into samsara. And what happens? Sometimes we forget God. And many times we try to remember God. Now what is the avastha? What is the culmination of bhakti? You don't put forth effort to remember God. Your efforts are, you should not forget Him. See, when do I remember? When I forget something. Oh, I forgot this. When do I say this? When I don't remember something, then I say I have forgotten this. What is bhakti is saying? What is actual thing? You don't forget Him. There is no question of remembering Him. This is the significance. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, Jene tuja visarana padava. Please give me Santa Sangati so that I will remember you. No, I will not forget you. If I don't forget you, no question of remembering. Jene ha tuja, O Lord, your forgetfulness will not be there. About you, forgetfulness will not be there. Hachi bhava majiya jiva. And this alone is that inner praying, O Lord, to you. Hachi bhava majiya jiva. Inner praying. Bhava means inner voice is this. I want Santa Sangati and Charana Seva. Puravi Deva Manoratha. You please fulfill this Manoratha. This my desire. Manoratha means in my mind I am thinking. I am not going to God and telling Him, oh please you give me. In my mind I am thinking, oh Lord, I want this and that. Manoratha means that. Okay, one is actual going and talking with God. There is no Manoratha. But in my mind, I am talking with God. So you please give me that. What else you want, Tukaram Maharaj, in order to fulfill your great desire, great goal? Tukaram Maharaj is saying next stanza. मज भाव प्रेम देई प्रीति गुण नाम वर्णावया स्तुति मज भाव प्रेम देई प्रीति गुण नाम वर्णावया स्तुति विघ्न What is the prerequisite for bhakti, or what is the prerequisite to do any karma? Love. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, Maza bhava, you give me bhava first. I need lot of, bhava means faith also, and good things should come out in my heart about you. Effortlessly, that is called bhava. Praying to you, but I should have that effortlessly in my heart, that right notion, right understanding about you. And love, bhava, give me maza bhava, prema, you give me love. And preeti, preeti means also another kind of love, but difference is what? When I have to love somebody, I need another person. But in that preeti avastha, if the person is not there, my love will still continue. This is called preeti. Dehi, maza bhava, prema, dehi, preeti. Bhava, prema and preeti, you give me this. How much he is asking. But he has right to ask. How much sadhana, upasana, karma yoga he has done, only Tukaram Maharaj knows. That is why he is asking you, give me this, this is that. We can't ask God, you give me this and that. We do ask, out of ignorance we ask, but when we do lot of sadhana, then we have right to ask something from God. So bhava, you give me. If bhava is not there, Naneshwar Maharaj says, palhadate. If bhava is not there and you are doing bhakti or anything, it's of no use. Naneshwar Maharaj says in 9th chapter, he says, nice city you have made. Nice city. But in that city, there are no people to live. What is the use of that city? Same way you have everything in your life. But bhava is not there for Paramatma. Bhava is not there for all people. What is the use of that? He says a nice, fruit is there. But in that fruit, nothing is there inside. Pulp is not there. What is the use of that fruit? Though outerly it looks good, but what is the use of that? He is saying. Okay. Now, you give me this bhava, prema. Eknath Maharaj says, without love, jnanam is also not not useful. Bhakti prema vina jnana nako deva. Bhakti prema vina jnana nako deva. Abhimana nava nityatya mazi. Prema sukha dei, prema sukha dei. What he is saying? Bhakti prema vina jnana nako deva. Devoid of this love for you, don't give me jnanam. It's of no use. In bhakti we need love, in jnanam we need love. This love is not ordinary love. It is not vasana, that I want something from you. This love is different. If you don't give me anything, still I will love you. Unlike worldly love. If you give something, I will love you. Otherwise, I hate you. This is how world goes. Here love means without taking anything from you, without expectation, I will love you. This is real love. Guna, nama, varna, vaya, stuti. I will utilize my speech, guna. I will sing your qualities, glory. Stuti, I will praise you. And nama, I will chant your name, because Jayache nama papa nashi. In 8th Abhanga we saw this, that nama will annihilate, destroy all papam, give punya and moksha also. So you give me bhava, prema, preeti. You can see here, we chant Lord's name, we do puja, but sometimes bhava, love is missing, which is the prerequisite for all this kind of sadhana. So he is asking you, give me love first. If love is there, anything can happen. Mother takes care of or look after child. Why? Love is there. So that is why love is the driving factor for our all karma. Vigna sodavuni hati. And when I chant your glory, your name and stuti, if some obstacle comes, you please remove those obstacles. You become Vigna Sodavuni Hati. You remove that all obstacles, so that continuously I will be in you. I am in God means what? I am thinking about God, I am talking about God, and I am walking with Him. This is called Vigna Sodavani Hati. And this is my humble request. Vinanti Maji Parisavi Hai. You please listen to this my request and you please fulfill it. Okay. Do you want anything? In mind it is going on. Huh? Do you want anything, Tukaram Maharaj? He say, no, I don't want these things. Now he is enumerating what he doesn't want. अनिक काही नाही मागणे सुख संपत्ती राज्य जाडगणे अनिक काही नाही मागणे सुख संपत्ती राज्य जाडगणे साकडे न पडे काही नाही मागणे. I don't want anything else now. What you don't want, this also we should know. We all know what I want, but what I don't want, that should be clear. Why? Because if unwanted thing comes in front of me, and if I am not sure about that, then I will possess that thing. That is why what I don't want, that also I know, I should know, and I should know what I want. He is saying, Anika kai nahi magane. Eknath Maharaj also says same thing. Anika magane nahi deva eka janardani seva druda de namasmarana ghado Santa Samagam. Same thing he is asking. Name and Santa Samagam. Anika kahi nahi magane. I don't want anything now. What? Sukha. Sukha here means not Bhakti Sukha, not Brahma Sukha. This is Vishaya Sukha I don't want anymore. Sampatti. I don't want wealth also. I don't need wealth. Why? Because I don't have more expensive life. I don't spend much. If you spend much, you will need more money. For more money, more work. For more work, more sorrow, more headache, more tension. Less expectation, less needs is your actually capital. If you don't expect much, you don't need to work more. You have happiness from God, Namasmaranam, which are less expensive things. Namasmaran, how much does it take to, how much money Lord takes with his, sorry, how much money Lord takes you from you when you chant his name? No, it is free only. Chalo. Why I am not asking all these things, oh God? Because if I ask you these things, you will have questions. How to give all these things to my devotee? How he is alert in his sadhana. We don't do sadhana, but we ask so many things from God. He is saying, God, if I ask you this sukha, sampatti, you will have question. How many things I should provide to this person now, devotee? That is why you should not have any worry how now I should provide this to my devotee. For that purpose, I am not asking you anything. See how love is there. You do whatever you want, but you give me this. This is called samsara. And bhakti is what? I will not ask you anything. Otherwise you will have problems. You will have to work for that. See how many devotee Lord has? Plenty. If everyone asks one every day, then how much God will have to work? So much. He will be tired and he can't do other things. That is why Tukaram Maharaj is saying, I will not ask you anything. You will have question how to give that. This is love only. God can give you in one shot. He can give everything. Duje bhakti vina maya bapa. Other than bhakti, you don't give me anything. Duje bhakti vina maya bapa. Beautiful. Maya bapa. He is saying Maya, oh mother. He is fondling God. Bapa, oh father. Father should give everything to his child. Mother should love his child or her child. That Tukaram Maharaj is asking. Ram Krishna. Last, today morning I have some problem. जोडोनी कर पायी ठेवी तो माथा. जोडोनी कर पायी ठेवी तो माथा. तुका विनवी पंढरीनाथा. तुका विनवी पंढरीनाथा. रंगी ओढवावी रंग कथा. रंगी ओढवावी रंग कथा. पूर्वी मनोरथा माय बापा. संत संगती दे चरण सेवा. संत संगती दे चरण सेवा. संत संगती दे चरण सेवा. जेणे हा तुझा विसरण पडावा. हाची भाव माझी या जीवा. हाची भाव माझी या जीवा. पूर्वी मनोरथा माय बापा. संत संगती दे चरण सेवा. जेणे तुझा विसरण पडावा. संत संगती दे चरण सेवा. जेणे हा तुझा विसरण पडावा. जोडोनी कर पायी ठेवी तो माथा. How we should prostrate to God. जोडोनी कर. Two things when they come together. जोडोनी कर. I fold my hand in front of you. Payi ठेवितो माथा means I surrender my karma and intellect to you. जोडोनी कर means what? Karma. And I surrender, I dedicate my all karma to you and I place my head in the lotus feet of God. Place my head means I give up or I surrender my intellect, mind to you. Mind and intellect, if you surrender, your work is done. But it is not easy. Difference between samsara and paramartha is, you know what? Paramartha means very easy to say. We should have control, Jagat is mithya. Very easy to say. But when it comes to achieve that state or be in that state, it is very difficult. When you say samsara, it is very difficult to speak about that samsara. How this will happen, how that will happen. Very difficulty. But it will happen just like that. Because all samsara runs because of prarabdha. And in paramartha, we need purushartha prayatna. Samsara is very difficult to express, very difficult to say, but it is very easy to do that. It will happen on its own. Whereas Paramartha is very difficult to imbibe or very difficult to follow, but very easy to say. If you listen one talk, you will give discourse, but that will not make you the bhakta or jnani. For that we have to work. Jodoni kara, karma, matha, intellect, I surrender to you. Tuka vinavi Pandharinatha. O Pandharinath, one who is standing, residing, dwelling in Pandharpur, I am requesting you, I am putting my humble submission to you, Lord. तुका विनवी पंढरीनाथा रंगी ओढवावी रंग कथा. That whatever katha, namasmaranam, stuti I do, in that rangi means Panduranga, you come and you fulfill or you color my katha. When somebody gives pravachan, that Ranga Devata is there. God is happy with that person also, and the way he is singing and doing that. So that is called Rangi. Rangi means God. Ranga Katha. Whatever I do Katha, in that you come and you please, feel color in that. Rangi Odavavi Ranga Katha. Puravi Manoratha Maya Baba. And these are the thoughts in my mind which are going on. Please fulfill that. Puravi Manoratha Maya Baba. Oh Lord, you please fulfill that. Santa Sangati Dei. Give me company of great Mahatmas. Charana Seva. Your service, your serving to your feet, that you give me. Jene Hatuza. Then I will not forget you. I will tell you a small story and we will end up here. Story was, once a sadhu Mahatma goes to a person who is Muslim and he is asked for bhiksha. Bhiksham Dehi. From inside, no reply comes. Then he says again, Bhiksham Dehi. Nobody comes. After some times, that person's wife comes, that Musliman, and he was doing namaz. He was praying to Lord. Then her wife came and she asked, Babaji, today my husband is praying to Lord namaz. Because of that, I could not give you bhiksha. I came late. Then that Mahatma says, namaz means what? He is saying, no, that Musalman, that Bhakta is remembering God. Then Sadhu Mahatma says, those who remember God, they are foolish people. Now you tell me, is it a right sentence? If you remember God, then you are a foolish person. But that Sadhu Mahatma said like this. Then that wife told, how can this be possible? Because remembering God is the best thing in this our all daily chores. And he said, remembering God is actually worst thing. Not forgetting God is actually good thing. When we remember, when we forget. So not forgetting God is the good thing. Then he understood, yes, right. But for beginning level, we should not forget. We should remember, try to remember that God, and one day that state will be achieved where I won't forget God. And this is the culmination of bhakti. That is why we say, He Chidana Dega Deva, Tuza Visarana Bhava. Tuza Visarana Bhava, that you give me. If forgetfulness is not there, I need not remember you. So this is the beautiful example. Hachi Bhava Majya Jiva. This is my inner feeling, inner voice, again and again coming and requesting you, O Lord. So today we have finished this. Tomorrow we'll meet again. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pundalika Varada Shri Hari Vitthal Shri Jnanadeva Tukaram Pandarinath Bhagavan Ki Jai. Sadguru Joga Maharaj Ki Jai. Sadguru Swami Chinmayananda Maharaj Ki Jai. Ram Krishna Hari.